Now you can protect your family's well-being and the quality of the clothes that they wear with laundry appliances that are really made to care. These are Hire's new range of washers and dryers that take fabric care to the next level with advanced technology to hygienically clean your garments and linen like never before. Take this 9 kilogram capacity front load washing machine. It has 14 different cycles at your fingertips, including stain treatment and UV Protect. This is an innovative program that uses UV Protect to kill more than 99.99% of bacteria while washing in a low temperature, so it is gentle on your clothes. If you're in a hurry, the speed up function reduces the time of most of the wash cycles, or you can choose Refresh with Steam for a quick laundry solution that will deodorize and de-wrinkles garments in a jiffy. Save energy and water with Eco Wash, a cycle that cuts power use by up to 44% and water by more than 25 litres per load on a cotton cycle. This clever washer minimises product waste too. Smart dosing will figure out the exact amount of detergent needed for each load that's based on the selected cycle. So no wonder this savvy appliance has earned a 4.5-star water and energy rating. Made to match is Hire's 9 kilogram new heat pump dryer, perfectly complementing the washer in both design and function. And like its laundry mate, it's eco-smart too, boasting an 8-star energy rating thanks to heat pump technology and low temperatures. There's a choice of 14 drying cycles for all kinds of fabrics and needs, like the handy Refresh with Steam cycle. This will use an ultrasonic tech to release a very fine mist into the drum, so it freshens up fabrics and reduces wrinkles without any chemicals. With Hybrid Boost, you can choose to save time or energy with specialised speed up and eco cycles. There's also an Express 30 cycle for super quick results. And for the ultimate confidence in cleanliness, you can sanitise using high temperatures to thoroughly kill 99.99% of bacteria during the drying process. There's even a drying rack, which is great for shoes and delicate items. Now, these impressive appliances are also Wi-Fi enabled. It gives you remote access and future smart home connectivity. Hire's new range of laundry superstars. They're made to care for you, your family, your fabrics, and the world we live in.